Amanda, shut up. I'm watching TV.
Next time you tell me to shut up, you gotta have a big head dokey face right in your face. Little did they know the road to Oak Cliff was filled with unexpected twists and turns. Finally, they arrived at Oak Cliff, where the real adventure awaited. As the sun began to set, the family gathered for the barbecue, where laughter and music filled the air. In that moment, they realized that family knows no bounds, and laughter is the universal language.